Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This is second part of this chapter. In previous class I taught you up to paragraph number 9 and today we shall continue from paragraph number 10. Let's see the paragraph number 10. While Einstein was solving most difficult problem in physics, his private life was unraveling. Unraveling means what? Breaking. That means at one side he was facing difficulty in solving the physics problem, and in second moment, in another side he was facing also problem in his private life also. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you, his mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. So what kind of problem was going on in Einstein's private life? The problem was that Einstein wanted to marry Mileva because she was very intelligent, and because of her intelligence, Einstein liked her very much. But Einstein's mother was against of this marriage. She did not like Mileva because Mileva was 3 years older than her son. So it seemed to Einstein's mother that Mileva was so old that she could not marry with her son. And moreover, Mileva was very much intelligent. And this was also not liked by Einstein's mother. Einstein's mother did not want that kind of daughter-in-law like very intelligent, because she was equally intelligent. Mileva was equally intelligent like her son Einstein. That is why she did not like Mileva, and that is why she was against of this marriage. Einstein's mother used to say to Einstein, Mileva is a book like you, like she is equally intelligent like you, so don't get married with her. Finally, Einstein decided to postpone his marriage. Here wedding off means what? Postpone. Postpone means what? To extend the date. So they extended the marriage time. Let's continue from the paragraph number 11. The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. But a few years later, the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. So what happened? Finally, they got married with each other. Because you must have heard one proverb that Mia Bibi Raji to kya karega Kaji. So here Mia, that is Einstein, was ready, and Mileva Bibi was also ready. So they finally got married in January 1903. And after a few years, they blessed with the 2 sons. But their marriage was not successful at all, because after a few years later, they started fighting very badly with each other. And moreover, Mileva started losing her intellectual ambition, and she became an unhappy housewife. And that is why, after years of continuous fighting, the couple finally decided to separate from each other, and they took legal action and they divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year, and when they became legally separated from each other, Einstein got married second time with his own cousin Elsa in the same year. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to the world fame. Here, his new chapter was started because second time he got married with his cousin. So it was the second life of Einstein. And the same time in 1915 he had published his general theory of relativity, which provided a new interpretation of the gravity. So after getting married with his cousin, he started doing so much progress. He got name and fame in the world. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity, and it gave him very much popularity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had currently calculated in advance the extent to which the light from the fixed star would deflect through the sun's gravitational field. The newspaper proclaimed this work a scientific revolution. Einstein was working on one project, and whatever he said, he just proved it, and that is why he became very much famous, and he got too much popularity in the entire world. And the newspaper also explained his work a scientific revolution. Proclaimed means what? Here, the meaning of proclaimed means what? Announced. And when he got success in his project, in his invention, then even the media people announced his work as a scientific revolution. The media people said that it was just like a revolution. That means it was a big achievement what Einstein proved by his project.